Hi, it's Christina. Let's see what today's question is. What happens to your existing hair after having the system applied on is it'll still continue to grow with the hairpiece, whether we shave it down or not. So after your first maintenance, whether it's 2 to 4 weeks, when we shave it down again, because it will continue to grow, the constant shaving and regrowth of the process, if it's still in good condition, will still continue to grow. So say if you're using a lace-based system and you have really good existing hair in the middle of your head, what happens is, like, whether we shave it down or not, as it continues to grow, it'll grow through the lace because the lace is breathable. It's a mesh material, it'll grow through the lace as well, depending on how long your maintenance is in between. So whether, say 4 weeks, it'll grow like about ½ an inch. If you keep it longer than that, it'll obviously grow longer and it'll go through the lace. So that's it for today. I'll see you next time.